Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make egg quesadillas, easy method. Start by whisking 2 eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper, then heat a non-stick skillet with 1 tablespoon butter until foamy. Pour eggs and stir gently until just set, then transfer to a tortilla. Add a handful of cheese, fold, and crisp both sides in the skillet until golden and melty. Heat a skillet over medium-low and melt 1 tablespoon of butter so it bubbles but does not brown. Whisk 2 eggs with a splash of milk, salt, and pepper, then pour in and stir to soft curds. Spoon the eggs onto a tortilla, sprinkle cheese and optional fillings, fold, and toast in the skillet for 1 to 2 minutes per side until golden and melty. Let the finished quesadilla rest for 30 seconds, then cut into wedges using a sharp knife or pizza cutter so the cheese settles slightly. Serve with salsa, sliced avocado, or a squeeze of lime for brightness and contrast. For meal prep, refrigerate cooled quesadillas in foil, then reheat briefly in a skillet to regain crisp edges and melted cheese without.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.